Hi everyone. So today we are going to have a little knowledge of YouTube, which is second most popular search engine in this world right now. So who are the founders? What was the motto to make this invention? YouTube is also invention, and it is very young. In very less time, it got more popularity. So if you like to know details about YouTube, then watch this video completely. So I am Anuj Bharadwaj, digital marketer and entrepreneur. So what is YouTube? It is the second most popular search engine and the only search engine which show only video content. So who are the founders? Mr. Javed Karim and two of his friends are founder. What is common between them is all three of them were employee of paper, means they were ex-employee of paper, and they founded the YouTube. The date of foundation was 14 February 2005. Now, why it is 14 February? That is Valentine's Day. You will know during the video. So, its current headquarters is in California, USA, and its current revenue, only ad revenue, is 15 billion a year. In 2017, 400 hours of content was uploaded in YouTube, but in 2020, 500 hours of content is uploaded every minute. So you can understand its popularity in on this basis. So YouTube is a subsidiary of Google now. In November 2006, Google bought it from the founders, and deal was made on with 1.65 billion. Deal was made in 1.65 billion, and its current return only through ads is 15 billion. So you can understand what a profitable business it is. So what is business? This business is video. So its business is video content only. Now, what was the motto of its foundation? The motto was to provide video content, but in the beginning it was limited to dating videos. YouTube gave $100 to women for making and uploading dating videos. That is why its date of incorporation was 14 February 2005. Now, how all these things begins? These all things began with Super Bowl event of 1st February 2004 due to an incident. Then in 2004 again, tsunami. Mr. Javed Karim was unable to find the video of tsunami of 2004 in India. And again, video of a party. He was he didn't find the video, so he didn't believe that really party was happened. So these all things give idea of video content sharing website, which is YouTube. The initially funding was 11.5 million, from which all three of them started creating this YouTube. And 2000 in November 2006, Google bought it from them. From at that time till now, it is subsidiary of Google. The ad which you saw in YouTube is AdSense ad. So YouTube and some of its special category people make earning from video ads, and 500 hours of content each minute is more than enough. And due to coronavirus it is increasing day by day. Now who use them, who use YouTube? So YouTube is used by mostly individuals and some corporates. So maximum video which is uploaded in YouTube is from individuals like you and me, and even some corporates, some movie trailers, news. There are some live channels on YouTube. So in 15 years of journey, it has become second most popular search engine, and only search engine which show video ads. So you can understand the power of YouTube. So it was a amazing invention. And now, if you are a businessman or an individual, anyone, and if you want to express yourself, you can express on YouTube. And the benefit of using YouTube is that only those persons who are interested in your topic will see your video. So there will be a targeted audience which you will get. Hence, marketers, business leaders, corporates, everyone uses YouTube. Even individuals use YouTube, and they are making good income. They are gaining popularity day by day. So YouTube is such a platform which can make you popular overnight if you work correctly. Now, if you want to get on YouTube, then don't wait. Start today, because day by day competition is increasing, and maybe there will be some day that competition will be so high that you will not be able to gain subscribers. There will be no people to see your videos if you didn't started today. Now how can you do? I have explained it in my previous video. I will provide the link in the description, but still I tell you, make a video of at least 10 minutes every day, and improve your performance by 1% every day. Just these two pillars, and you are ready to rank on YouTube. But this is not going to happen overnight, but the day it happened, you will be a billionaire. The path to be a billion will be clear. So don't take it lightly. And still in 2020 you are thinking that I will do what is need of YouTube. You are making a big mistake. Today if you are not on YouTube, you are making your loss, because it did not need much investment, but its return is huge. If you see investment versus return, it is very high. So if you want to get profit, come on YouTube. If you want to get popular, come on YouTube. If you want to do anything, a business, a consultant, industrialist, a beginner, intermediate, expert in any field, then YouTube is the best platform. No other platform are so popular like YouTube, and in just 15 years YouTube is second most popular search engine, and first is Google. So you can understand the power of YouTube. In just 15 years, you're very young, very young search engine, and 500 hours of upload per minute, which is increasing day by day. You cannot imagine what power you have. And still, if you don't want to use, then it's okay, it is over to you. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching me.